Hello lovelies, my name is Nikima and we are Spainhomes. Today I am in San Miguel De Salinas, a beautiful town located in the province of Alicante, overlooking beautiful salt lakes, rugged natural terrain and great agricultural landscapes. Today I'm going to be showing you a show house of two remaining classic Mediterranean villas that remain for sale within an urbanisation of quite a few. And so they are on a plot of 183 square metres. The villa itself is 163 square metres. It offers 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and is distributed on 3 floors. As you can see, we are within the urbanisation right now, and just to my left you will also find they have communal grounds on site, just like the swimming pool they have on offer. So let's get on with the tour. As I enter the property, you find that it's on a plot of 182 square metres, which gives you a nice spacious area at the front of the property that also goes around the sides and the back. Here where I'm stood is the actual parking space, and then you would come in through these gates with the vehicle and park here on the terracotta stone paving right here. Now over the way, as you can see as well, you do have additional garden space. It could be quite easily adorned with trees, exotic flowers, and also be a great place to spend some time with your family at the front of your home. As I come up the terracotta staircase to where you would have your entry porch, I'm approaching here the front door. This is the front door that I'm coming through now, and I'm walking in through into the home. So, as you can see, it was classic Mediterranean on the outside, but inside they have modernised it quite beautifully. I have entered into the open plan lounge, kitchen and dining area of the living space. This is the ground floor, and altogether the space comprises of 32 square metres with a ceiling height of 2.6 metres. As you can see, I'm here in the lounge spot. You have windows within the curve as well of the actual home, which does illuminate the space really nicely. As you can see, it's simple but yet still very comfortable and well made, as we do have finishings throughout where you have the marble staircases and also the wooden carpentry. So now from the lounge room spot I'm going to take you into the kitchen. And the kitchen is a bright and inviting space. As you can see, you have your electric appliances included, which would be your hob, oven. You also have the extractor. On this side, the refrigerator. On this side, your kitchen sink. And underneath, for convenience, you also have your washing machine. Taking you from the living space and the kitchen space, you also have a dining space to one side that is set to dine for. Across the way and through the hall, we are now going to see the bedrooms. So, the first bedroom that I'm taking you to now is 10 square metres. It has a similar feel. The room has porcelain tiles, a window that lets in plenty of light, and integrated wardrobes. Next to that, it has the main bathroom, which as you can see is fully equipped and also has a bath. And then very nicely over the way, of the other side of the hall, you'll find there is a second bedroom. This bedroom offers 9 square metres. It has a window on one side and also integrated wardrobes. Coming up the marble staircase to the first floor, this floor has been dedicated to the primary suite. As you can see as you enter, it is light and bright. You have window on one side as well as patio doors that lead to a private terrace on the other. You also have integrated wardrobes giving you comfort, and there is a door that leads to a fully equipped ensuite bathroom. Now, taking you from the primary, there is also a separate access point in the hall, and this takes you onto the wonderful sized upper terrace, where you get to enjoy outdoor life. You could use up here your solarium for whatever you feel like. From the ground floor, as you access this door, it is a stairwell that leads you down to the lower basement. There you will find some additional rooms, and we'll go and explore that in a moment. Coming down to the low floor basement, I'm now met with even more additional living space that the family can actually use. This living room here would be either a living room kitchen, an additional recreational space, or even another bedroom, and offers 32 square metres with a ceiling height maintained of 2.5 metres. Now, through this door, you also have an additional room. And bear in mind that the lower rooms also do have windows that let in natural light. This room is 20 square metres, and so if you were thinking of having an additional bedroom or even office space, it would be the perfect size. Less than 15 minutes away, I can find myself on the coast, in the nautical club, and overlooking the beach right here in San Miguel De Salinas. As you find, this is a really great spot on those days where it's a bit more cloudy, you're feeling that Friday feeling, you're still a little bit fuzzy, and you're just wanting to have some peace, serenity, but also still enjoy the peace, picturesque and spellbinding views of the sea and the boats bobbing. So that's what I'm doing right now. This is one of those great nautical clubs that not only give you great refreshments, but as you can see, you could probably get some really tasty seafood as well. The nitty-gritty. The property tax, or EB, is €400 per year, the community fee is €350 per year, and the refuse is €150 per year. This is a fantastic family home. If you're a small family or even a couple, then it's great because it's modern on the inside with classic charm on the outside. To begin with, this was a housing project that comprised of 84 villas in total, and now they only just have 2 left, and that's 2 for the bargain price of €220,000. If you do like the listing and you'd like to know more, then you know where to find more information. But can I just say as well that San Miguel de Salinas is a very interesting place. You find that as you are surrounding, you see the landscape of rolling mountains, rugged terrain, intertwined with fruit trees like orange trees and lemon trees everywhere. And not so far away as well, you get to really enjoy the salt lakes that they have in the area, not too far from Torrevieja. This is a great place that is great accessibility to not just the province of Alicante, but also the province of Murcia. And so, for the finer details, go to our website, which is spainhomes.estate. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. My name is Nikima. It was lovely to see you, and we'll see you next time. Hasta pronto!